Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I am going over 5 important Hebrew words to learn. I will also be doing another video following this one on how to read Genesis chapter 1 verse 11 in Hebrew with Spanish translation. Okay, let's start. First Hebrew word is Bereshit. Bereshit is the first word found in the book of the Torah in Genesis. And it means the beginning. It is also the name of the first book of the Torah, which is the 5 books of Moses. The second word is Shema. This is a Jewish prayer that is said 4 times a day. And it means to listen. Listen, Israel. The Lord our God is one. It is a very important prayer for the Jewish people. I'm going to sing it right now. Shema Israel, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. And it speaks about the identity of Hashem, meaning God, who is one. Number 3, which is a very popular word, and it is Mitzvah, which means commandment. There are 613 mitzvahs in the Torah, and it also means good deeds. The 4th word is Chavarim, which means friends. So, if your children are in a Hebrew school, they would say to one another, Shalom, Chavarim. Shalom, which means peace. This is what they would say to their friends. Shalom, Chavarim. Hello, friends. The 5th word is Mishpacha, which means family. Mishpacha, family. Okay, that is the end of the 5 important Hebrew words to know. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give it a like. It takes time to do these videos and lots of dedication. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any future lessons. So in Hebrew we say goodbye, lechitraot, lechitraot.